A welder is visually inspecting a finished part for consistency, penetration, porosity, and spatter. The inspector uses a fillet weld size gauge to measure the weld bead to inspect for consistency. The macro etch test is a destructive test that evaluates mechanical properties of a welded joint. It is primarily used for welder qualification tests, welder training, and welding procedure qualification tests. Transverse tension tests and guided bend tests are destructive tests often required by welding code or in welder training. These tests are performed on samples or prototypes to examine mechanical properties.